Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the restoration video. First off, I'd like to apologize for taking so long to finish part 2. Got a little bit sidetracked and I was a little bit busy as well, but yeah, it's finished now, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the different methods I've used and the different results I got from polishing this set of pedals. So right now, just sit back, enjoy this short time lapse, and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you guys when the video starts. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that short time lapse of me polishing up the rest of the pedals, and let me get into what I've done with all of these pedals right now. So in the previous episode you guys saw me polishing up these two. Let me just go over it again so you guys can be up to date. And this is the first pedal that I actually polished, and I only used the autosew. I went over it 3 times, and to me honestly it looked good enough. And if I didn't have Mother's Magnet aluminum polish, I would gladly do the rest of the pedals with just autosew by themselves, and I'll be happy with the result. But luckily I had Mother's Magnet aluminum polish, so I decided to try it out on a second piece right here. So this piece right here, I actually went through a 2-step process. So I went over it 3 times with autosew, and then I washed it and cleaned it, and I went over it another 3 times with the Mother's polish. So I mean, from just looking at it and the camera, you guys can already tell that yeah, it definitely looks way better, and it's more like a mirror shine than just using the autosew. So after looking at the result, at how this one turned out, I decided to do a little bit of an experiment. That's what I did with the remaining 4 pieces of pedals right here. So these 2 pedals, I decided to just use the Mother's Magnet aluminum polish to see if I could get it anywhere close to this piece right here. And I tried it out first with this piece, but it was a little bit unfair because the person I got this from actually did try to polish it, and I'm guessing he probably used autosew or something similar. That's why it kind of looked very similar to this piece right here. There's a pretty good mirror finish on it, so I would rule this one out because it didn't come used. I mean, it did come used, but the previous owner did kind of try to polish it up. So I went to this piece instead, which was totally unpolished and used, and I used just only the Mother's polish, and I went over it 3 times, and honestly I'm not that happy with the results. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. There's still a lot of areas that the Mother's polish didn't really take out. I only did 3 passes on this, and it still looks bad. So I can say that just using the Mother's polish on its own wouldn't bring it anywhere close to a mirror-like shine like this. So yeah, I left this at that. And then for the final 2 pedals right here, I actually used a combination of both again, which is going over this 3 times with autosew, and then wash it down again, and then another 3 times with Mother's Magnet aluminum polish. And this is actually the brake pedal. As you can see, it shines like a mirror. I mean, it reflects like a mirror, sorry. And you can even see the camera and the reflection, and even my computer screen. So yeah, that shows you how much the autosew would make a difference rather than just using Mother's Magnet aluminum polish. So on a side note, I'm pretty sure some of you guys that collect all logo Nismo stuff would find this brake pedal a little bit different. It's missing the old logo Nismo font in the middle here. That's because the previous owner actually used this set of pedals quite a bit. It's actually worn down so much that the old logo Nismo font disappeared, and a little bit of the metal is like so smoothed out that it feels like there's no ring around it anymore. It used to look like this, where the ring around the circle is raised, but he actually stepped on the brake pedal so much that it flattened it. It kind of like just sanded it down smooth, and I'm okay with that. It shows that this pedal has been used and loved, and yeah, it gives a little bit of character to this set of pedals I have here. And lastly, this is the clutch pedal, and I did the same thing. 3 passes with autosol, wash it down again, and then another 3 passes with Mother's Mag aluminum polish. And I'm pretty happy with the results. It looks good and awesome. I even got in here with a different buffing wheel, so it shines, and yeah, I'm loving it. So I would highly recommend the procedures I did with this pedals, which is to go through first with also, because the composition of this polish right here, it has a more coarser material in it, and it really cleans up a lot of the top surface grime and it gets a lot of the gunk out, in my opinion. And then after you're done with the autosol, you can actually go over it with the Mother's polish, because the material and the polish itself is a lot finer, and you could actually polish it out really nice like this and get it to as close to a mirror shine as you can. I mean, I think it could be better if I went over it more, but I'm happy at where this is, so I'm probably gonna stop right here, doing a 3 pass with autosol and another 3 pass with the Mother's polish. So yeah, I'm gonna be redoing this 2 pedals as well, doing the same process. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of the restoration video, and maybe you guys could use the steps I've used on my pedals for your future restoration projects. I'm pretty happy with the way the results turned out, and I'm sure if you guys use the same method as I have, you guys would probably really be happy with the results you get out of it. I also like to say that I didn't have an actual buffing wheel. All I had was a Dremel with a buffing bit on it, and I managed to get a mirror-like shine out of these pedals. So yeah, you guys could definitely do it on just your Dremel. Take a little bit of a little bit longer to finish a piece, but yeah, the effort is definitely worth it in the end. So yeah, that's it for this episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.